What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Garcia Brothers channel. It's your boy Ese Chaparro with you guys today. Today we're doing something to the Mama Lona. We're at my boy Drizzy's house today. Fucking sick ass cue right here. Sorry. And right now the man with the plan. Yes, sir.
So all this is gonna be wireless. So
Bluetooth?
yes, sir.
Mini vlog for the installation. Mini installation video.
You're getting. So we'll probably run the wires through here in the bottom. That way you don't see a bunch of rats in this corner over here.
Cool if I show them yours?
Go for it, yeah. Go for it.
Don't mind, that's nice. But my boy's cute. It's a little down right now. She'll be right back up with some new goodies real soon. Can't say it because he said it'll beat my ass. Without the B. Bro. Makes me want to cue. But it's not from Azaautowheels, but he knows what he's doing. He has his own. Bro, it's beautiful. I didn't even know he had it until I tapped in with him, see if he could do something with me. Some airlift suspension. Sick. I can't wait to see mine, honestly, but yeah. This will work.
Hello. So there was been an explanation on the wiring. And I have to find a 12 volt between your connector right here, the ground. To go anywhere here between this hole, right here, power to the steering wheel. Now we change it back from kilometer to mile an hour. Do the big ribs.
Fucking badass work. Only little complaint that we both have, and it happened also the same thing with his. If these places only had instructions for it, right? But other than that, pretty good. There's a lot on the steering wheel that my boy's telling about, and he's also learning himself for his. But we could do blue, and y'all already know, if it ain't blue, it ain't right. Blue everything. I love this guy. Too bad he's a little bit sad and disappointed at me at the same time. Oh, that's sick.